Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. I'm so glad to be able to go to Walgreens and do another Walgreens haul. If you guys are new, welcome. Just take a moment to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you have, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. So I did get a booster when you spend $30 to get back $10. I think I got like a couple of different ones on different accounts. So I'm gonna try to work with that. I feel like Walgreens is constantly switching and changing things around. So keep things exciting and, you know, having a new experience. Anyways, I'm gonna head into Walgreens. But before I do, I wanted to kind of like let you guys know. So one of the people that I follow, and I've learned a lot of Walgreens foundations and contactless pay, like she teaches it down to the point. So she gets you to where you need to be to really understand how Walgreens work. Her channel is called My Own Identity. Her name is Michelle. So she was saying yesterday, well, I watched her live yesterday where she was explaining how she got into a car wreck, which is very devastating. She explained that she lost her car, but I wanted to kind of mention that so you guys can go and watch her channel, even if she's not putting up new videos, but just to support, because, you know, as content creators, again, if we're not like posting anything or going live or sharing deals, especially as couponers, you know, you don't really get any views or anything like that. So I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and just watch her channel. Just let her videos play so that she can still get a little bit of income from YouTube, and watch the ads. Just, you know, just let it play overnight or whatnot. That's what I'm doing to kind of help her. So just, you know, go to her channel under her live or videos and just play all, let them play, and then from there she'll be able to get views even though she's not posting anything. And you guys can just let her videos play overnight or whenever you can at your spare time. We are a couponing community and we support each other. So go watch her videos, watch her channel, and help her grow that way. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, and I'll share my receipt once I come back. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Olay here. They are $7. They're on promotion this week. When you buy 3, you are gonna get back $5 in register reward. This is one of the many P&G promotions that we have happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3 of them. I also have a digital booster for spend 25, get 7. So I'm gonna see what I can add to complete this booster. I also found these. These are on sale. They're on clearance, so I'll get it. But they are on clearance for $1.49. Go ahead and grab 2 of them, and we do have a buy one get one free coupon that would work for this item, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Pantene. They are on a different promotion, part of the P&G. There's quite a few that you can grab. So there are some that are $5, some that are $8. These are $6, but they are all in the same promotion. For when you buy 3, you're getting back a $4 register reward. For this one here, we do have a 3 off of 3 coupon, which I'm gonna go ahead and use. We also still have a P&G rebate that expiring sometime today, I believe, or on the 1st actually. I'm filming this video on the 29th, so this is expiring on the 1st of April. So when you spend 50, spend 20, get 5, or spend 50, get 15. So, but it has to be after coupons. I'm gonna see maybe if I can submit back for the spend 20, get 5. All right guys, so I went ahead and I grabbed this Gillette Labs. These are $17.99 in my store. I'm gonna use a 20% off coupon. That's gonna take off about $3 and some change. I'm gonna pay, oh, and I also have a $5 digital that's expiring soon. It's not showing up when I scan the item, but I do have it, so I'll pop up a picture of you guys. I added it to my cart. So I'll pay $9.39. I'll get back $5. That's gonna make it $4.39. And this also qualifies for the P&G rebate, so I might be able to submit back to get a $15 Visa gift card. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of the toothbrushes for $3. I also pick up one of the toothpaste. These are buy 2 get 4. So I'm picking up 2 of them that's gonna come out to $6. I do have $2 digital coupon for the toothpaste and 1 for the toothbrush. I'm gonna pay $4 and get back 4. That's gonna make it free. And this also qualifies for the P&G rebate. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Gain since I still have some digital coupons that I haven't used. Now they are on sale, $5.49 each or 4 for $16. So there is 1 digital coupon that's attaching to the dryer sheets as well as the softener. There is a $1 digital coupon for the fireworks, and we do have a separate $1 digital coupon for the liquids and 1 for the Gain flakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab. Now look at this. I was looking at this. Look at where this bottle is. It's not even, it's barely halfway full. Like, isn't this insane? Like, all of them are like this. Look at this. They're not even halfway full. Like, what is happening? And this is supposed to be 5.5 ounces. So disappointing. Like, look at this one. This is not even, anyways, whatever. That's not why I'm here. All right, so I'm gonna grab one of these here. I'm gonna grab a softener. I'm gonna grab one of these, a softener. And I'm gonna grab 1 of the liquid, as well as 1 of the flings right here. So 4 of these are gonna total me $16. I do have $3 worth of coupons, and you can actually print $1 coupons from the P&G website. So I'm gonna pay $13. These are not giving back anything that I'm aware of, but I think it's a good price because they're $5.49 each, and when they're not on sale, they're normally $7.49, which is insane. And now I'm like, Jesus. Anyways, all right, guys, this is all that I'm gonna be. So here is my receipt. Here's the crest. The other crest did ring up for $4 instead of $3. Here's the Olay, the Gain products, 4 of them here. The Pantene, 3 of them. The Gillette Labs, using that 20% off coupon. That I also used a spend 40 to get 9 back. All of the digital coupons did come up fine. So this digital here is, 1 is for the Gillette Labs, the other one is for the Olay. $3 for the Pantene, $2 each for the 1 for the Crest, 1 for the Oral-B, $3 for the Gain, $1 for each one. $4, these were register rewards that I gave her, but for some reason it kicked them out of the system. So she manually entered them for me. Total came out to $39. Used $20 in Walgreens cash, pay the rest out of pocket. Now I was expecting to get back $26 in Walgreens cash, but I only got back $19. So I got back $10 for spending $50. I ended up not doing the spend $30 because that doesn't become available until the 30th, which is tomorrow. So I ended up doing the spend $50. And then I did get back the $9 for spending $40. So what I am missing is $7 for spending $25 on personal care items. So this Olay here would count as personal care. This Pantene at least would count as personal care. The Gillette items, all of which I bought except for the Gain, is not personal care. So I'll walk through my receipt here slowly so you guys can see what I picked up. So what I'm thinking is happening is that $7 digital booster is not attaching for the personal care items or the allergy items, because I did the deal 2 days ago using the allergy booster and nothing. I didn't get it either. So hopefully if you guys try it, you let me know if that works. 5 for the Olay, 4 for the Crest, then 4 for the Pantene, and then 5 for the Gillette. So I ended up getting back a total of what we got here, 4 register rewards. So I got a total back of $18 of register rewards here. All right, guys, so let's talk about what I spent. I spent a total of $53.53. So I spent $14 in register rewards, $19 cash out of pocket, and plus $20 in Walgreens cash. So that's a total of $53. I got back $19 in Walgreens cash right there, and then I did get back $18 in register rewards. So with the $18 in register rewards, I'm hoping to get back $15 from the P&G. So if I do get back the $15, that's gonna cost me about $1. That'll give me a total of $52.39 that I'm getting back. But if I don't get the $15, this would have cost me about $14, which is not bad considering everything that I got here. So I thought this was a pretty good transaction, pretty good deal. Let me know what you guys are grabbing this week at Walgreens, what's working for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to head on over to Michelle's channel to watch her videos, let them play and run through, just so we can help each other out there. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and guys, give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.